How to save Terraria to cloud. So you cannot just assume your game is backing up automatically. Terraria sometimes disable cloud saves by default, and if your PC dies or you uninstall the game, your characters and worlds are permanently gone. And to prevent this, you will need to use the built-in Steam cloud integration. So first is open up your game and open your character list right here. And underneath your character's name, look for a small icon which looks like a cloud right there, just next to the star icon. And if you click that icon, it should turn white just like that, proving that that specific character is now actively synced to Steam. So you must repeat this exact process for your worlds. So if I click on my character right here, there's also an option to move the world to cloud. So click on the move to cloud option also, just like that. However, be warned that the Steam cloud can sometimes corrupt massive Terraria world files over time. And because of this fatal flaw, your safest secondary method is manually copying your players and worlds folders from your game directory onto a separate USB drive. And that is how I basically save Terraria to cloud.